Hi, my name is Don Miller. I own a company called Miller Company. We specialize in commercial insurance, warranty, surety, and are involved in multiple insurance businesses in Canada, US, and Europe.
What did you get out of being here at Strat Week?
Well, it's been a great week, Strat Week. We've definitely, I think the number one thing that myself and my team have gotten from this week is kind of a mindset shift. So we've kind of learned that, $1 billion business plan is very attainable. It just takes a shift in mindset and takes a different way of looking at the numbers. And yeah, it's been very exciting.
What were some benefits of bringing your team versus coming on your own?
Well, it's important to bring your team to Strat Week here. You've got to expand not only your own mind, but your team's mind so that they believe and there's buy-in. We've actually been debriefing our team as we've been here this week on a daily basis, tried to bring along the other team members, and we plan on sending the people that weren't able to come this time around in the next 6 months, the next seminar.
What made Strat Week stand out from other options out there in the market?
Brad Sugar's $1 billion Strat Week definitely stood out for us because it was more practical, more hands-on, and very, very applicable. There's no fluff. There's no rah-rah. It's all, brass tacks. You're learning from other peers, learning from other companies, having a lot of fun doing it, and also a great team building exercise with being with your team for the week.
During your experience here with us, what was the thing you enjoyed with us?
I think I enjoyed the most sort of having the pressure of presenting some of our numbers and how we are going to arrive at our goals. I think that was the most beneficial piece for myself and the team.
What are the biggest aha moments or BFOs you've had during Strat?
So many. What are the biggest BFOs? Yeah, so many. My notebook is jam-packed full of golden nuggets and strategies and mindsets and books to read and programs to take and methodologies on how to implement what we've learned this week. Having my coaches with me as well has been great because there's that extra level of accountability, and I'm always just a phone call away for any questions I need. Yeah, this week I got unstuck on so many items. It was just great to have direct access to Brad and be able to ask him anything I needed to.
What are the goals you want to achieve after attending this Strat?
Well, we're definitely on track to become a $1 billion company after this week. Brad challenged us to not only look at $1 billion, but maybe 4 or 5, because we have so many different companies and so many different interests. So right now we're crystallizing the plan as we speak, and it's starting to taste and smell extremely real and attainable. And so we are definitely looking at some bigger expansion into the US and into Europe. We're also looking at some financing to leverage capital in order to facilitate these big, hairy, audacious goals.
If you had to choose what would be your favorite feature of Strat?
My favorite feature of Strat Week, I would say that is really just kind of getting to know Brad on a personal level, understanding his background and how he became successful, visiting his home, meeting his family, understanding, how he interacts. And he's just a regular guy, normal guy, works hard, smart, but he really makes things, brings it down to a level that's very attainable for everybody that wants to put in the effort.
Well, what's it like having your action coach here with you?
Yeah, having Kevin here with us this week has been amazing. He's been really supportive and being he's working directly with us on all the numbers and just kind of getting us unstuck as when we were as a team. Yeah, it's just been phenomenal to have that level of support.
What would you tell someone who's considering joining STRAT Week?
Well, what would I tell someone who's considering joining STRAT Week? Well, one of the things we learned that if you're thinking about it, you just got to do it. So, yeah, I think you just if you've got goals to grow your business and you want to interact directly with someone who's done it multiple times and has multiple hundreds of millions of dollars, I think the time and financial investment is well worth it.
If there's one word you could use to describe your experience here with us, what would it be?
One word, enlightening, say that. And why would I say that? Because just releasing some mind blocks, some limiting beliefs, getting myself unstuck and really understanding how to think and plan big.